Yellow poplar, tulip tree, tulip poplar, all the same names for Liriodendron tulipifera. Tulipifera meaning bearing tulips. This is one of the tallest trees in the eastern United States, often reaching 200 feet tall, 9 feet in diameter, and 500 years. It's a massive tree, a very important timber species. Despite the name poplar, which means that you might suggest that it is a poplar, it isn't. It's actually in the magnolia family, and it has excellent wood that's widely used for all kinds of furniture and other purposes. It is a very large tree at maturity, and with size, the ridged and furrowed bark, eventually the ridges fall off and the bark becomes scaly. It's an Appalachian species primarily, very fast growing, and it's an excellent tree for a park or for other big places, but you have to have a big place for this tree because it just gets so big so quickly. It's called tulip tree or tulip poplar, or the scientific name is tulipifera because the leaves have the appearance of a tulip. But that's not the only reason it's called that. It's also called tulip tree or tulip poplar because the flowers, which open up in early June, look just like a tulip. They're beautiful. They have an orange inside, and when they're pollinated by bees, they form an aggregate of samaras. And here's one left over from last year. The samara is a wing seed, and they're dispersed by wind. And those structures will persist throughout the winter. Yellow poplar has beautiful fall color. It's almost always gold or yellow. And it's one of our more beautiful native trees in eastern North America. Yellow poplar, Liriodendron tulipifera in the magnolia family.